Are you doing that? Oh, because we're just trying to clear some water as we're speaking. All right. Now, this is the most important thing that everyone here needs to listen to, okay? The most important thing that you have to take with you as you go home. All right? As you leave here, you know what? You wear this shirt, you're trying to be cool, you're trying to have someone hear you, maybe you're trying to
This is for the ladies!
Jesus Christ told her that he was the Messiah. He said, if you believe
You,
in me,
face me,
I am the Messiah.
arms to the side,
Remember that?
don't move! Don't move! Because if you move, you will die! Go!
That we should respect women. That's what it teaches. It teaches that we should honor women. Women are not to be
Ladies! What your man can do! Chip it down!
I wish I could hear that.
I see Make some noise! Move, okay? Because if you move or fuck up, I might go back to jail. And I don't want to go back, okay? I came home 4 hours ago. No, I just did. For real. Just came home.